Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our today's topic is Ghusl or taking bath. In case of Had se Akbar, what is Had se Akbar? In the previous lectures, you must have known about Had se Akbar. Had se Akbar is a major impurity that is caused by marital relations, menstruation, or childbirth. Marital relation means the relationship between the married people. Menstruation is a natural phenomenon or a medical issue associated with the women, and childbirth means the time of a child's birth. So in case of Had se Akbar, a full bath is required to get pure. It means when a Muslim man or woman goes through Had se Akbar, he or she has to take a full bath to get pure. In Islamic terminology, it is called Ghusl. It is called Ghusl. This word Ghusl is very frequently used in Urdu, Persian, and other languages of the subcontinent as well. The prescribed method for performing Ghusl. The prescribed method of performing Ghusl is, as I am going to mention. Number one, first of all, you have to make intention. Means you have to make intention that you are going to take bath for getting purity. Secondly, you have to wash both the hands, including your wrists. Wrists means wrists also must be washed. Then if there is any kind of impurity on any part of the body, that should be removed and washed away thrice. If any part of the body is having any kind of impurity, it should be washed thrice, means 3 times. Then you have to perform wuzu in the prescribed manner. Means you have to perform wuzu as is taught to us by the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions radiyallahu anhum ajma'in. Gargling should be done carefully. Gargling means rinsing your mouth. That should be done carefully, making sure that water reaches the throat. Water reaches the throat except in the state of fasting. Means if you are fasting, when you are in the state of fast, you should take care that the water must not go ahead of throat, means must not cross the throat and must not get inside your body. Nostrils should be rinsed in such a manner that water reaches the soft bone. Means when you rinse your nose, the nostrils, the water must reach the soft bone of your nose, your nostrils. Then you have to pour water 3 times, thrice, on the entire body from head to feet. First from the right side and then the left. And then make it sure that no part of the body is left dry. I am going to repeat the method of taking bath, method of ghusl. Number one, make intention. Means you have to make niyat. Then wash both hands. Wash both the hands, including wrists. Number 3, impurity, if there is any on any part of the body, should be removed and washed away 3 times. Number 4, perform wuzu in the prescribed manner. Gargling should be done carefully, making sure that water reaches the throat except in the state of fasting. Nostrils should be rinsed in such a manner that water reaches the soft bone. Number 5, pour water thrice on the entire body from head to feet, first from the right side, then the left. And number 6, make it sure that no part of the body is left dry. So dear students, I hope you have learnt the manner, and if you have not learnt, you may ask your questions by typing them in the given space of comments below this video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.